Thank you, Mr. James. Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rod Soriano from the Business Development Group of LG Air Solutions Division. I'm managing B2B market here in the Philippines. Primarily, our group are dealing with the architects, mechanical consultants, contractors, developers, which means we have the knowledge, we have the market knowledge of what the customers really want in their design or preference. Hence, LG Air Solutions is constantly improving its AC products to tailor to their specific needs. Today, I would like to introduce the new and improved LG commercial inverter single speed. As you all know, LG Air Solutions is one of the global brands that gearing towards greater efficiency and has the highest coefficient of performance. Now, let me begin my presentation by showing you the overview of the product lineup for commercial inverter single speed. So as you can see in the screen, we have floor standing, we have four-way cassette, ceiling suspended, one-way cassette, ducted type. So these are different FCUs for the single speed, different application that can be used. So we have a wide range of capacities from 1.5 to 10 horsepower. For floor standing, we have 4 horsepower to 10 horsepower. So if you notice from 4 horsepower to 6 horsepower, as mentioned by Mr. James a while ago, that we have this patented R1 compressor, which will be discussed later by my colleague. We changed the compressor, R1 compressor, from 4 to 6 horsepower. And also, we have new capacity for floor standing and four-way cassette, which is the 6 horsepower and 6 horsepower, because of the market demand in the Philippines. So now, as mentioned, LG inverter is indeed a cutting-edge technology with high level of energy efficient ratio, as illustrated here in one of the examples here. Each capacity has corresponding EER. This means you can save a lot of money from paying high electricity or consumption from Meralco bill. Did you know that the power consumption of a house or a building consumes around 50%. So if you're paying 10,000, you're paying actually 5,000 for your air conditioning. So we all know that Philippines is one of the most expensive electricity in Asia. Next, I will now introduce the improved LG floor standing. It has 5 new added features and functions. First is long air throw. It can reach up to 20 meters. So if you have orientation for a long distance, then you can utilize this. Power cooling mode, it can quickly cool the conditioned space in a short period of time, around 11 minutes. It has a stylish design for architects and interior designer. You can actually control the direction of the airflow by pressing the auto swing for four-way auto swing. And we have applied the Ocean Black Pin that Sir Mike discussed a while ago in SMX. This Ocean Black Pin is actually embedded in the system. Not unlike other brands, you have to pay for additional costs for additional coating. This is what the architects and designers really want, to have a further airflow so that they can distribute the air properly inside the room. The new LG floor standing can achieve as 20 meters, which is ideal for commercial spaces, restaurants, lobby, multi-purpose hall, or even medium size of convention hall like this one. Next, there are cases that sometimes we leave the room and we forget to turn off the aircon. Thanks to LG, because we no longer have to worry about turning off the aircon because it has human detection sensor embedded in the ceiling mounted cassette. There are 2 modes that can be utilized. First is on or off. Second, and this feature will detect if nobody is in the room and it will automatically shut down. The second mode is gradual increase of temperature by 2 degrees Celsius whenever there is no room, human detection in the room for every 30 minutes. If it reaches 1.5 hours and there's still no human detection, it automatically shuts off.
Kevin.
So next, for the ceiling suspended unit, we have newly improved feature that can achieve long air throw up to 15 meters. This is first in the air conditioning supplier, 15 meters. The design is also unique and stylish. Architects will definitely love it. To make it even more elegant, we applied black beam. LG Commercial Single Speed just received a certification for wide voltage range. Philippines has a fluctuation especially in the especially in the rural areas. So as illustrated here in the comparison between the constant
Ito LG gamit sa bahay. Ako.
constant speed and inverter, it can now larger tolerance than constant speed. Moreover, one of the problems here, like as I mentioned, in the province, they have a high fluctuation of power supply. So by having this feature, we can now ensure the protection of unit from any high voltage supply. It can withstand up to 6 kV power surge.
Motor yan, boss.
And I always encounter from the consultant the question of piping limitation because there's a perception normally if they maximize the piping length of their aircon, it will dramatically reduce the cooling capacity. But by using LG inverter, advanced long piping design, we can maximize the piping without compromising the cooling capacity. And also, Philippines is a tropical country, so during summer it's very hot, it can reach us 40 degrees Celsius. Our unit can withstand up to 48 degrees Celsius. So this is what we're talking about, ocean blackpin. Because Philippines is an island composed of different islands, especially in Cebu, Davao, CDO, so there's a lot of water. So the problem if you expose your outdoor unit to seaside or riverside, there in a certain few years, it will corrode the outer unit. So we apply this ocean blackpin, double protection for the outdoor unit. And it's actually standard. You don't have to pay for additional costs. Thank you, and I will now give the floor to Mr. Joo-Hoon Kim, LG Electronics Asia B2B Air Solutions Manager. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ross. Okay, so nice to meet you, everyone. So I'm very happy that I would like to say thank you, all of you, to join here for LG press conference today. Okay, so my name is Joo-Hoon Kim, and I'm from headquarter marketing, especially in charge of Southeast Asia region. Right now, starting from now on, I will conduct 2 sessions continuously. So the first one will be,
Ayan.
sorry, I think the presentation is different. Okay, but anyway, the first thing will be our core technology, which is named is R1 compressor. And the second one, I will introduce you about our new product, which will be launched on 2020 within the first half. It's called LG round cassette. But first, I will conduct the R1 compressor side first. So before I start the presentation, I will let you see our new made R1 compressor introduction movie. Would you please play the movie?
Sabay.
So it's a very impressive movie, right? Like Transformer. So I will start the presentation again. So as Mr. Rod already introduced, that R1 compressor is applied on our 2020 new single CAC product, which is for the 4, 5, and 6 horsepower. So there's a totally 11 models, including full weight cassette and the full standing, and also the ceiling suspended. And the last one will be the mid or high static duct. So there's a totally 11 models, including the R1 compressor. So I think that you might be curious about what's the meaning of the R1. R1 means it stands for revolution. So why we call it revolution, I will explain it on the backwards more detail. So I will proceed my presentation, okay? Okay, so R1. This is the R1 compressors in detail. So we have three core features in R1 compressor. First one is shaft through structure. If you see the picture here, there is a bar through the upper part all the way to the bottom part. So upper part is, there's a motor part here, and then the below is the compression part. So there's a hull and there's a robust shaft there. So it's able to do the solid compression and also give the compressor with a high durability. And the second one, there's a bottom compression and simple structure. Before we put the compression part on the above of the compressor, but now we move it to the bottom and make it low noise and low vibration. And also we reduce the size up to 20%. And even more, we make it can operate up to 150 Hertz in their operating range. Before it was 100 Hertz. Now we make it 150 Hertz, and that able to us to make 6 horsepower product in 2020 lineup. And the last one is the centrifugal oil return and oil separating guide for oil discharge reduction. The sentence is very difficult, but anyway, the summary is that we reduce the oil discharge with a new technology. And then besides these three core features, we have 3 more. It's like a 1+1, but we make it 3+3. The other 3 features is that this is made in Korea, and the second one made by LG. I think many of you don't know that we have our own compressor factory in Korea, but we have nearby our air conditioner factory. We also have a compressor factory there. So we have our own knowledge and very deep understanding in how to make the compressor correct and right and innovative. So that's what it happened in our own compressor. And the last one is that we have a patent on this new structure, patent in US and also patent in Korea. So all these kind of features combined, then we call it the R1 compressor. So the next page, I will introduce more detail in technology way. So actually there's 2 types of compressor which is mainly used in the single commercial air conditioner type. There is a scroll type and there's a rotary type. Both of the compressor has their own advantages. So if we see the scroll first, scroll type has a high capacity and high efficiency and low noise and low vibration. But as you can see in the picture, the compression side is outside, and also there need a subframe on the bottom. So the whole structure is a little bit complex compared to the rotary. But when you see the rotary type is already applied with the shaft through design, and it's very compact. But the vibration and the noise is a little bit higher than the scroll. So we took both side compressors, the advantage size of both compressors, and we combined it as a one. But this does not happen in one day. It's not like Thanos just snap his finger and boom. It's not like that. We took about 10 years investment to make this happen. So that's why we proudly introduce about the R1 compressor here. So as it happened, the R1 compressor was born, and I already explained about the patent, and then there is a shaft through holding the motor part and the compression part very robust. So the thirst reduction is about 50%. Holding very tight, making more durable. And the last one that I already explained, that we reduce the oil discharge from the compressor. Oil is needed to keep the compressor more reliable and working correctly. If the oil keeps discharged from the compressor, and someday, very soon, the compressor will be breakdown. But anyway, the key function is that how to reduce the oil discharge from the compressor. So we reduce 4.0 weight rate to 1.0 weight rate, even though in the 120 Hertz. So that's, we call it revolution, the R1 compressor core technology. And then next one. Well, I just mentioned about that there is a rotary compressor and a scroll compressor. Actually, the rotary compressor has two generations. The first, only one rotary means there is one rotary arm there, and two rotary means there is a two-side rotary arm, which is called dual inverter. We already introduced in the market using the room air conditioners and the lower capacity of our single commercial air conditioners. From one rotary to two rotary, we already reduced the vibration and noise. But from two rotary to R1 compressor scroll type, we also reduced our vibration and noise one more time. So if you see on the right side, there is a graph there. So the blue one means the one rotary. If there is a many peak or fluctuation, that means high noise and high vibration. But now the green one, two rotary, which is a dual inverter, also reduced very significantly. But if you see the red line, which is R1 compressor, is almost flat. So we improved so many levels on the R1 compressor. That's the main features of our R1 compressor. I hope this will help you to understand our the future of the R1 compressor more in detail. Okay, so I will move on to my second session, which is LG round cassette, which will be launched on 2020 within the first half.